The OnePlus 12 features a 6.82-inch Pro XDR AMOLED display with a QHD Plus resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate. This display is designed to deliver stunning visuals and vibrant colors, deep blacks, and smooth scrolling. Thanks to the LTPO technology that dynamically adjusts the refresh rate from 1 Hz to 120 Hz. With a peak brightness of 4500 nits, this display ensures excellent visibility even in bright sunlight. Plus, it's protected by the Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2, offering durability against scratches and drop. Under the hood, the OnePlus 12 is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Generation 3 mobile platform. This chipset, coupled with 12GB or 16GB of LPDDR5X RAM, delivers lightning-fast performance whether you're multitasking, gaming, or streaming. The phone also offers 256GB or 512GB of UFS 4 storage, ensuring you have plenty of space for your apps, photos, and videos. When it comes to camera system, the OnePlus has partnered with the Hasselblad to bring you the 4th generation Hasselblad camera system for mobile. The triple camera setup includes 50-megapixel wide camera, a 64-megapixel periscopic telephoto camera with up to 120x digital zoom, and a 42-megapixel ultra-wide camera. Whether you're capturing landscape, portraits, or close-up, this camera system ensures you get high-quality photos with rich details and vibrant colors. The phone also supports 8K video recording at 24 FPS and 4K video recording at 60 FPS, giving you cinematic video capabilities right into your pocket. Now, battery life is another highlight of this phone. It houses 5400 mAh battery. This means you get a full day of charge in just few minutes of charging. In terms of software, the OnePlus 12 runs on the Oxygen OS 14 that is based on Android 14. This ensures a smooth, customizable, and feature-rich user experience. The phone also comes with a host of smart features like the dual cryo-velocity VC cooling, Dolby Atmos audio, and an in-display fingerprint sensor for security. Now, connectivity options are top-notch with support for the Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, NFC, and 5G. The phone also includes dual nano SIM slots and a USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type-C port. Talking about the contents of the box, you will get the OnePlus 12, a 100-watt Super Whoop power adapter, a USB Type-A to USB Type-C cable, a protective case, and all the necessary documentation. Whether you are a power user, a photography enthusiast, or someone who wants a premium smartphone experience, the OnePlus 12 offers a perfect blend of performance, style, and functionality.